Hello students, today you will learn lesson 19 Human Development of SS Standard 10, page number 161. Thus, human life includes peace, economic, social, political and cultural field. We interact with in all this field. Due to indifference or disgust toward improvement, some people don't like improvement. Disgust, they hate. Low aspirations, ambition are low. Illiteracy, people are not educated. Lack of entrepreneurship, people have no adventure for business. Suspicion, doubt, superstitions, blind faith. Antiquatedness, they like old style, old mindset. Orthodox, that is also old mindset. They believe in old belief and religion. Traditions along with improper use of natural resources. Traditions, marriage traditions and rituals after death, marriage, and improper use of natural resources. They can't use natural resources properly. Developing countries have not been able to achieve economic and social development. That is why developing countries are not able to achieve economic and social development. People should have scientific temperament and adventure for business. Then Human Development Index, that means a figure, digit or figure that indicate development in human life. The concept of Human Development Index was propounded by Nobel Prize winner economist of Indian origin Amartya Sen. Amartya Sen added in economics that with the development of per capita income, national income, we should also check human development, life of people. First Human Development Report was published in 1990. With their help, since then under United Nations Development Programme UNDP, a report is published every year. A worldwide analysis is presented on the basis of development of different nations in various dimensions. Worldwide analysis, which country has done good development, which countries is lagging. The worldwide analysis is done. The idea of Human Development Index was presented in first report of Human Development published by United Nations Development Programme. So Human Development Index was presented, in its first program, in which three dimensions of Human Development Index were used collectively. So here there are three dimensions of Human Development Index. You can underline this sentence. Three dimensions of Human Development Index: average age, health, knowledge and living standard, per capita income. Lifespan and health, knowledge means education, knowledge and living standard, per capita income. Human Development Index of any nation is determined on the basis of the three of the dimension. So these three dimension is focus, considered to decide Human Development Index of any country. Till 2009, above mentioned three indicators were used to determine Human Development Index. 2009 तक ये तीन डायमेंशन यूज होते थे: एवरेज लाइफ, नॉलेज एंड लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड. Human Development Index by UNDP to prepare report. These three dimensions were used. For this, a new technique is being used since 2010. But then new technique was started since 2010. Life expectancy index, LEI, एवरेज एज. तो अब ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स के लिए अब ये तीन क्राइटेरिया डिसाइड किए हैं. लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी, दिस इज फॉर डिटरमाइनिंग हेल्थ एंड लॉन्जिविटी, लाइफ स्पान एंड हेल्थ. At the time of birth of an infant, small child, predicting for how many years will the infant survive is known as life expectancy. So, children mortality rate, okay, everything is considered. So, when a child is born, okay, then how much is possibility that he will survive for how many years? So that is called life expectancy, for which the highest 83.6 years and lowest 20 years have been set. So these two border have been set, highest 83.6 year and lowest 20 years. As per human development, life expectancy in 2050 was 68 years. So in our country it was 68 years. Then education index, EI. Its two sub-directions are as follow. Mean years of education, MYS, it is the years spent in the school by the adult till the age of 25. Okay. The person till 25 years, how many years he had gone to school, that is considered in education index, for which highest 13.3 years and lowest 0 years has been decided. So according to Human Development Report 2015, average of schooling in India is 5.4 years. So it is very low. Average schooling years is 5.4 years. Expected years of schooling. Second, expected years of schooling. Approximate years that a child of 5 years will spend in school. So for how many years he should go to school? That is expected years of schooling. For how many years a child should go to school? For this highest 18 years and lowest 0 years has been decided. The highest person can study till 18 years. Okay. 5 years old child, if start going to school, so he can study highest than it. Then higher than this criteria may be, okay. But we don't consider it. But because they people are very free, few. जैसे थोड़े से माइनर नंबर्स के लिए कंसिडर नहीं किया है. तो लोएस्ट 0 years, that means illiterate people, totally illiterate child, years has been decided. Average year of schooling index is 11.7 years. Then income index, second, lifestyle. For determining subsistence, that means to survive, person is able to get food, shelter and cloth. So that is called subsistence, survival. Gross domestic product, GDP, gross domestic product, per capita GDP is replaced by gross national income. Now per capita GDP replaced by gross national income, per capita gross national income, yes, GNI, per capita GNI. According to Human Development Report 2015, per capita gross national income was $5,497, while per capita gross domestic product was $5,238. For calculating per capita income, any of the nation's income is calculated on the basis of currency of United States. So to count per capita income of any nation, dollar is considered. It is counted in dollar, United Nations, which is known as the purchasing power parity. It is also called purchasing power, how much person can purchase. Okay students, next part of this lesson you will study in next video.